Bird and Kip, Episode 38, A New Friend. Kip climbed down the tree.
Bird is my best friend,
Said Kip.
but she is keeping secrets from me.
A cold wind blew. Kip shivered.
I'm angry at Bird.
He said.
I'm going to find a new friend.
Squirrel was waiting to cross the bike path.
Squirrel and I both gather acorns.
Said Kip.
I'll be friends with Squirrel. Hi, Squirrel.
Said Kip.
Do you want to gather acorns together?
No thanks.
Said Squirrel.
I have enough acorns.
Frog was jumping to the pond.
I like to jump too.
Said Kip.
I'll be friends with Frog. Hi, Frog.
Said Kip.
Do you want to jump around with me?
Maybe in the spring.
Said Frog.
I'm going to sleep for the winter.
This is terrible.
Cried Kip.
Bird is keeping secrets from me. And I can't find a new friend.